So guys, for the first method, make sure that the display cables are properly plugged in. You could also unplug them and then plug them back in again, see if that works. You can also try replacing the display cable. So if you have like another HDMI or DisplayPort or VGA cable laying about, just use that instead, see if that works. For the next method, you want to go through the buttons on your monitor and then try to reset it to default if it lets you. For the next method, if you can slightly see your computer screen, like you can see you're on Windows right now, then go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, make sure that your scale is on the recommended option, make sure that your display resolution is correct, and make sure that your display orientation is also correct. You could also do this on a second monitor if you have one connected, and then just go through the correct settings. If you have a different monitor that's connected to your computer, then you could just go through the settings right here on the other monitor. See if that works. For the next method, you want to turn off your monitor, then you want to unplug it from the power source for 1 minute, then you want to plug it back in again and then turn it back on. See if that works. For the last method, there will be 3 links in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date for your software. You can do all of this through like a second monitor or like a third monitor if you have one.